The country will again remember and honor its war heroes this coming Tuesday, April 9. Various activities are already set for Araw ng Kagitingan. Dinapagibitan with the details.
In the 71st celebration of Araw ng Kagitingan, the activities lined up seek to unite the past and the present. These are the veterans who fought for our freedom and the youth who are considered as our country's hope.
Sa pagmamahal mo sa bayan, pagmamahal mo, malasakit mo sa kapwa Pilipino, nakakalimutan mo sarili mo. At gusto nating maalala yan at magpatuloy na maging example sa ating mga kabataan, lalo na sa panahon ngayon na we are a growing, progressing nation.
The Veterans Week will start on April 5 until 11. Different activities are lined up, including sunrise, sunset, and wreath-laying ceremony at the libingan ng mga bayani where living veterans will offer flowers and candles to their dead comrades. Also included are a review in honor of veterans at the Philippine Army Headquarters in Fort Bonifacio, a tribute to all Filipino heroes in Corregidor Island, and remembering the Death March heroes in Capas Tarlac. The highlight of the Veterans Week is the Araw ng Kagitingan in April 9, which will be held in Bataan City. President Aquino will be the guest of honor and the speaker. Youths are expected to join the ceremonies for them to know, appreciate, and be inspired with the love, sacrifice, and selfless heroism of our veterans in the country. Also, veterans and their families are expected to participate in the Veterans Week to receive awards, make them know that they are valued by the nation they fought for, and to be able to share their heroism to the youth of today.
Inibitahan ko po ang ating mga kabayan. Pakita po natin na yung bayan natin ay isang bayan na hindi nakakalimot mga nagtanggol sa kanya.
For People's Television, Dina Pagibitan.